Okay, the story goes this way. The reason why these cannons, battery of cannons, uh, is hidden way down here, deep into the forest. As you can see, you'll probably wonder why or how um, they could hit Japanese ships when all they could see here are trees. So how can they hit their targets? So the story goes that they had spotters at the shore and they radioed the direction of the enemy ships, and the soldiers manning these cannons um aimed the cannons according to the direction given by the spotters at the shore, and they fired away. So it was hard for the Japanese to um, to find where these cannons are and hit them, even the Japanese planes, because this battery of cannons were hidden. Okay, we're inside one of the armory quarters where they kept the ammunition for the battery of cannons. Okay, I can imagine that during the night it's spooky down here. Okay, watch out for booby traps.
I didn't realize that the
Huh?
steps became.
Oh, there it is. Okay, we're hoping that we don't step on any Japanese booby traps here. Where are you guys? Okay. There's light, always light at the end of the tunnel.
So you can sit down and swallow bird, sir?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh, there were bats. Bats. Wow. So that, did you see that? I was almost hit by one of the bats. Okay, look at that. That's a big tree. And probably a mute witness of what happened here. What went on here in 1940. Big tree, old tree. And if you're here, you can smell the sweet fresh air, unpolluted still. Look at that quarter, badly damaged. Wow, I love it here. Fresh air, green lush trees, and the sound of chirping birds.